Friends, many of you drive every single day. With time and practice, you become skilled drivers. But in today's video, I am going to show you some of the biggest, most expensive, and most embarrassing mistakes made by drivers from around the world. So let's begin our countdown. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our informative and entertaining videos. Friends, almost everyone gets in a hurry to reach home, especially after work. In that rush, people often drive too fast just to get some quickly. A driver in Ukraine was heading home when he saw a road crossed sign ahead. Roadwork was going on and fresh wet concrete had just been poured. Instead of waiting, he tried to drive around the side, but in his hurry, he got completely stuck in the concrete. All four tires sank deep into it. By the time help arrived, the concrete had started to dry and harden. The tires were totally glued in place. Eventually, the company had to use heavily drill to pull the car out. The foolish driver not only destroyed his own vehicle but also ended up paying for the entire road damage. Number 7. Supercars make people looks like they own the world, but the truth is most of them are just show-offs who don't actually know how to drive properly. In this video, the driver is trying to take his expensive car into basement parking area. The entrance was massive, big enough for a plane or even a cruise ship to pass through, yet this guy still managed to smash strange into the side wall. That is what happened when ego gets bigger than skill.
Nice.
Number 6. Whenever a car accident happens, the person at fault usually has to pay for all the damage. These days, most new cars are insured, but insurance does not always save you. This footage was recorded by a dashcam. One driver was going normally when the car is front kept slamming on the brakes and blocking his path. Eventually, an accident occurred. The driver is in front tried to act smart. And his friends claimed it was the other driver's fault and gave statement to the police. They had no idea the other car had dashcam. Once the officer saw the real footage, he not only gave the liar a huge fine but also made him pay for all the damages. Sometimes being too smart backfire badly. Number 5. We have all seen those amazing supercars in videos and dreamed of driving one. Of course, only the richest people car can afford them. But there is a funny part. Many of them buy these cars but don't know how to handle them. In these clips, drivers are trying to load these expensive supercars onto transporter, but they end up badly damaged instead. Number 4. Many people still don't know how to drive properly, even though most eventually learn with time. This lady driver was trying to park her car. There was plenty of space, but she just could not get it right. She tried again and again for several minutes but failed every time. Finally, the owner of the car parked in front came and simply drove it away. Only then could she spark properly. She definitely deserves a award for her determination. Number 3. Most car accidents happen because of overspeed, people drive too fast and cause serious damage. But what if someone crashes at almost zero speed? This lady driver first reversed neatly into the parking spot like a professional, but at the end, instead of pressing the brake, she hit the accelerator. The car was on the third floor of a building. It smashed through the concrete wall, but luckily did not fall down. It was left hanging dangerously. Her great skills left everyone shocked. Number 2, you have probably seen many videos showing how serious Chinese people are about parking and properly matters. Some times ago, a woman in China parked illegally in front of a guard office and left her car there for 38 hours. When she returned, the guard asked her to pay a fine. She got angry and parked her car right in front of the office entrance to teach them a lesson before walking away. The management hired a crane, lifted the car, and placed it on the rooftop. When she came back, she was horrified. They kept the car there for several days. Finally, after paying a heavy fine, the police returned her car. One thing is for sure, she will never prank illegally again. Number 1, in Russia, many people use their private car as taxis. One private taxi driver dropped off a passenger at the airport and parked in no parking zone without following any rules. Security called a tow truck and the car was lifted. When the driver returned and saw his car on the tow truck, he lost his temper completely. He climbed onto the truck, opened the hooks himself, and dropped the car to the ground. The car was badly damaged in the process. He tried to run away, but security informed the police and he was caught shortly after. Airport authorities said serious action will be taken against him. That is all for today, friends. Always drive with patience and cares. Haste and anger can become more expensive. Until the next video, take care.